Sea Adventures, part something. We recorded some of these videos. While trying to record this one, it kept stopping
because I
due to
had
storage.
too much freaking music and there's a car coming.
Yeah,
Wait, don't miss the jump! Don't miss the jump, man!
Hurry!
Bam! Almost. You know. You can tell the battery's dying. Hey, you want to do a burnout? Here, show the people burnout. Okay.
Here, should I hold it?
Ow! Fuck! Here, can you do it? Just push it. I'll tell you when to stop. I want tire smoke to be like all of the tires. That's what I'm going to try to do. Until the battery dies.
No,
Yeah.
no.
See, it's already totally getting darker.
Okay, it's good.
Hold on. Oh my god! Just keep on going, keep on going, keep on going!
Jesus Christ.
Whoa, feel the tires, they're warm and so fluffy.
Dang.
That's how you know you got better grip. So we got better grip.
Let it go.
Oh! It's climb.
Nick, drive down the street.
All the way down.
Wait, you should probably go by that Jeep where the shade is.
You go by the
Go on the street.
Nick.
What?
Try going as fast as you can down the street and back, and try making a ramp jump. Yeah,
Like on the sidewalk?
no, yeah, like slam against the sidewalk and try to make you go
Wait,
fly.
is it done?
No.
Okay, still recording. Okay. Okay, people. And it died. It died.
Hallelujah.
There you have it, folks.
Episode 1, a fail.
Okay, end the video, end the video, end the video.